Good day mga kabayan techers, this is your Kabayan Tech, and today we are going to do an online Mac diagnostics. If you are new to my channel, take some time and click that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber and you like these videos, kindly click on the like button. And thank you very much. A few requirements that we have to take note. First one, this service is only available in the US. So if you are outside the US, you have to use a VPN that can connect to a US server. 2, you have to have Sonoma operating system on your machine. 3, you have to have the power cables that are connected for the devices that you are going to use. 4, you have another device that will run the diagnostic service. For simplicity and also for my workflow, I use another iPhone, but you could use any device that could connect to the internet. You could use an Android device, another Mac, a Windows computer, as long as if you are outside the US, you have a VPN service. So let me turn on the VPN here. And then next is we're going to go through with this website and copy this link. And then you have to go on your private browser, because if you are not going to go on your private browser, even if you are on a VPN, it will still not let you go and perform the service. It will say that the feature is currently not available in your region, as what you are seeing right now. Let's refresh this so that we can get into the system. So when I'm on the website, I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to click on a Mac. And the next screen will ask you for the serial number of the Mac computer. What I'm using right now is an M1 MacBook Pro. Unfortunately, I don't have an Intel version that is capable of running Sonoma. But if you have run this instruction successfully on your 2019-2020, that's an Intel version, kindly confirm and write them down on the comment section. Thank you very much. So for the Apple Silicon, all we have to do is press the power button and hold it. And when the loading startup option appears, then you can let go of the power button. Then you will see icons here. This is the setup screen. All you have to do is press Command D until the diagnostic screen will come out. So once it goes through the diagnostic loader, all you have to do is choose the language and then click on OK. It's going to download the diagnostics. Make sure you are connected to the internet. So you will be greeted with a diagnostic and repair showing you the serial number at the bottom. All you have to do is type that serial number and type it here. And let me do that. And once you enter the serial number on the phone, you're going to click on Start Session here. And it will load up the type of Mac that you wanted to diagnose. And on the screen, I will click on Agree. If you want to run the offline version, this is the built-in diagnostic software inside your device, then you could run the offline. I do have a video of running the offline version. The service from the phone will catch the request of the computer. And once the phone catches the request from the computer, then these are the Diagnostic Suite that you could use. We have the MRI or the Mac Resource Inspector. This is the same one that they are running in the Apple Store. Display anomalies, keyboard, trackpad, Touch ID, audio. But this is a user interface diagnostics, and those are the suites that we could run on this online diagnostics. So we're going to choose the MRI here, and I'm going to click on Begin Diagnostics. This will take 1 to 7 minutes to 10 minutes at the most, depending on the connectivity that you have. And once you run the diagnostic on your phone, it will automatically send that request to the computer. So while we wait, what's the purpose of running an online diagnostics instead of going to the store? Personally, if you are a DIYer or if you want to see if your computer hardware-wise is in tip-top shape, this would be a good option for you to run. For a third-party repair center like me, so this protects me and also the owner at the same time. If a customer comes in and there is an immediate issue on the computer that are being shown by the MRI, at least the customer knows that these are the issues that the computer is experiencing. Once the diagnostic is done, it will show you that it has completed the inspection of the computer. If you are done with the computer, you could just shut it down. And then for the result, you will see it here of all the internals that the diagnostic run. And it seems here that everything is in tip-top shape. If you want to run another diagnostic suite, don't turn off the computer. Just click on this one and you will run another diagnostic suite. I usually give a screenshot of the result of the diagnostics to my customer, or I either print the result. It depends on what the customer wants. And that's it, mga kabayan techers. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, or devices that you want me to review, kindly write them down below. If you like this video, kindly click on the thumbs up button. And for those who have subscribed, my deepest thanks to everybody. Again, thank you very much and have a good day.